Welcome back to episode 5 of my quick tip series, 5 ways to win multiple offers in a red-hot Silicon Valley market. Once again, I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team of Intero. If you've seen all of my previous video episodes in this series, our research and prep is meticulously done, and the offer has been submitted in the best possible light, all by the seller's agent set deadline, never late. One important thing to remember is that because your offer is submitted does not mean your work is done. It's very important that the buyer's agent now stay in communication with the seller's agent and ask a couple of very important things. How are we looking in comparison to the other offers? Is there anything we can do to improve our offer to be more competitive? The buyer's agent nurturing the relationship with the seller's agent is very important at this point in time. No arguing, no complaining. Be genuine and ask questions that are going to be in the best interest of getting your offer accepted favorably. One of the things that I always notice in my experience is an agent or buyer submitting an offer without any communication to the seller's agent and not building any rapport. That rapport will help them get a chance to have their offer accepted. The bottom line, people want to work with people they like and feel are good communicators. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to share a bonus video about the follow-through, which is critical in getting future offers accepted. If there's any other series topics that you would like me to discuss, please leave your suggestions and requests in the comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.